In this how-to video guide, we're going to show you how to export your transactions from your account movements. Simply click on Reporting in the header and select Account Movements. On the next screen, click the Export button. You will see a pop-up with various options. First, you can select which currencies you would like to export. You may select more than one, and each one will generate a file. After selecting your currencies, you may pick a date range. Select Custom Period to specify the start and end date. You may now pick which file type you would like, CSV or MT940. In this tutorial, we will do CSV. Click Export. Your browser may prompt you to allow it to download multiple files. Select Allow. You will now see that 2 files have been downloaded. You can see these files in your download folder. When visiting your download folder, you will see various files for all the different currencies which you have exported. In Excel, click on the Data tab. From here, import from text and CSV. Select the file which you would like to import and select Import. Once imported, click on Transform Data. The data will now be transformed in an easy-to-read and print table. Select Close and Load. You may now view the data and print it. To print it, select File, Print. Change your print orientation to landscape. Your data is now ready to print.